At the doctor's. Vocabulary builder. Head. Head. Neck. Neck. Arm. Arm. Elbow. Elbow. Hand. Hand. Stomach. Stomach. Knee. Knee. Face. Face. Eye. Eye. Ear. Ear. Nose. Nose. Cheek. Cheek. Mouth. Mouth. Have a headache. Have a headache. Have a toothache. Have a toothache. Have an earache. Have an earache. Have a cough. Have a cough. Have a runny nose. Have a runny nose. Have a stuffy nose. Have a stuffy nose. Have a stomachache. Have a stomachache. Have a backache. Have a backache. Have a cold. Have a cold. Have a sore throat. Have a sore throat. Feel itchy. Feel itchy. Have a cut. Have a cut. Have a broken leg. Have a broken leg. Have a broken arm. Have a broken arm.